In this video, I will show you how to add friends on Monopoly Go by username. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is of course open up Monopoly Go on your device. And here we are, as you can see, currently on Monopoly Go. Now, what you're going to want to do from here is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto the friends icon just down here. So what you can do on Monopoly Go at the moment, unfortunately, you can add friends by username, so you can't actually search up their username. However, what you can do is use the invite link. So if you come down to the bottom, you've got the green invite button here. If you just go ahead, press onto this, and what you can do is basically invite your friends by pressing the orange invite button. And what it's going to do is bring up a link. As you can see, there's a button which says copy underneath your invite link. So you just want to go ahead, press onto this. That's going to copy your link, and what you can then do is add your friends through things like Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp or Discord or something like that. All you need to do is send them the invite link. You can also invite friends by your phone number. So if you come down to the orange button down here where it says contacts, if you press onto this, and as you can see, you can find friends, you can actually add contacts from your device. So that's a couple of ways on how you can add friends on Monopoly Go. At the moment, as mentioned, it's not possible to search by username. However, with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.